Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? I hope in this pandemic period you are healthy and don't forget to wear your mask to avoid the spread of the COVID-19. Okay? Now, we study our new material in our classroom. Previously, we studied noun things in the classroom or things around you. Now, we go on to the next material, namely singular and plural noun of objects and animals. Ready? Okay, go! Okay, let me start by explaining the concepts of singular and plural. The singular means describe one thing, and plural means describe more than one thing or many things. The common plural form you only add s by the ends of the word. For example, like cat become cats, cow become cows. Get it? Okay, let's go on to the next part. The next part explain the singular that added by es. There are many patterns here. For example, that the singular that end in s, x, ch, sh, and ss. For example, gas become gases. Then box become boxes. Then punch become punches. Next, what singular that added by es? Okay, the singular that end in consonant and y. For example, like city, the previous letter before y is a consonant. It should be added by es, and the letter y is changed into I. For example, like city become cities. Do you get it? Okay, good. Then we continue to the exceptions. If a singular is ended by y, however, the letter that precedes y is a vowel, we only add s. For example, like the word play become place, day become days. Do you understand? Okay, very good. The next is the singular that end in f or fe. So it should be added by es. For example, like a wife, good, becomes wives, very, very good. Do you get it? Okay. Okay, for the next part is the singular that end in o. There are three patterns here. The first, the word that end with o is added by es, like tomato become tomatoes, potato become potatoes. The second pattern is the word that ends in O is added by only S. For example, like studio become studios, photo become photos. Do you get it? Now the third materials or the third pattern is that the word that ends in O can be added either S or ES. Like in the word buffalo become buffaloes or buffaloes. Zero becomes zeros or zeros. Got it? Okay, good. The last part is irregular plural. The irregular plural don't follow the pattern that I have mentioned you by adding S or ES previously. What you need to do is memorize it so that you are familiar with the words, or find a media that help you learn the words subconsciously. For example, like sheep become sheep. There is no difference in singular and plural. Ox become oxens. Man become men. Woman becomes women. Mouse become mice. And there are many other words you can find yourself. Okay, do you get it? Okay, this is the end of our material. See you again in our next meeting. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.